is a great event where you can interact with a really broad, rich community, and you can share interesting ideas and interesting experiences and do better things together.
This is the premier event in Boston for Internet of Things. I mean, this is where the action is in terms of learning, meeting the people who are actually been there and done that or doing that and creating this brand new market. Entrepreneurs and solution providers, academics, and all kinds of really smart people who know what they're talking about.
I'd like to start just with a giveaway, just to spice things up a little bit. So the way we're going to do this is I've got a Frisbee here. Whoever catches the Frisbee, I've got an instruction for you to follow after you catch it. Doesn't mean you get the book. You have to follow my instruction, okay?
I see it as connecting a variety of devices to the internet. Right now we have phones and computers connected to the internet, but the whole world around us, there's infinite possibilities of what can be connected.
So I ask you today, what is your utopia? Like, what are we striving for with all these internet-connected things? What's the lifestyle we want to promote? You know, data is this new material or exhaust when it comes to the promise of smart cities. We dream that connectivity will improve livability, sustainability, and resilience of cities, a new utopia. What specifically should we aspire to? We want to live and work where we shop and where we learn and where we socialize. We want integration for the sake of creative collision, serendipity, friction in the form of interactions, and a vital street life. 10 ideas for rethinking transportation, housing, sharing, shopping, sports, food, work, and more. These ideas have the power to reconfigure urban and domestic spaces and land use. The result, I think, will be a more sustainable, social, healthy, and human-scale city for all of us. As the late William Mitchell here said, and I will say to you, don't predict the future of cities, prototype it. Thank you very much.
The companies that come here get exposed to lots of ideas that are going to help them figure out their future within the Internet of Things world. But also they bring entrepreneurs here with their various products, and so you can see things in action. And there's nothing like a live event to really learn.
I met a lot of great people here, a lot of interesting people, and that personal connection is still important even in this connected age.
And that's really, to me, the exciting thing is about the personal connection to the physical world as by human beings, we as individuals.
Internet of Things, it's always been there. Like we always connected things to internet, but now we're starting to understand the data.
It's so important to be able to convene and connect business people, entrepreneurs, experts, researchers, the analyzers, and the people who are making the Internet of Things happen. And at a place like Connected Things, you can see all of it in one place. So a place like this is really ideal for that sort of opportunity for entrepreneurship and idea making.
You're going to meet all sorts of intelligent people with out-of-the-box wild ideas, but then you can connect with people who can really make them happen. You can find ways to connect to capital. You can find ways to connect to mentors. All the resources you need to make your ideas turn into a reality are right here.
It's been a really incredible experience just being able to network with different like-minded technologists, government, and just individuals that are really interested in looking at what is the state of the art for IoT and where is the industry going. And I think that's the collective reason that we're all here at this event.
Already today, I can see the value. I've introduced myself to the other exhibitors, the other sponsors, and those walking around, and we've met a lot of cool companies that I think we can help out.
I think that the major benefit for people attending this event is to put a little bit of structure and content and understanding of this whole Internet of Things, connected things concept. There's been a lot of hype about it, but there are some real things going on. There are real business problems being solved for companies. There are real solutions being delivered for people like you and me, for consumers.
The Enterprise Forum, in terms of technology and innovation, is something that we strongly believe in and support. If you really want innovative companies working with you, sharing ideas, sharing problems to solve, this is the place to come. When you look around the people here, like Ericsson as an example, or Zively, PTC, Cypress, these are all the best companies in the world practicing IoT today as opposed to talking about IoT. These are all applications in real world that are affecting change.
As we just learned from one of these panels, only 1% of the data that exists out there is even being used for decision making. So the idea of wrangling all that data and owning it and then using it is one of the biggest questions that we have at this time. And I don't know if we're even going to be able to figure out who can own it, let alone who can use it.
We are absolutely committed to IoT, and we are driving a lot of the innovation across a variety of different industries. So it really was a great opportunity for us to talk to the Boston community about Ericsson and our different solutions across a variety of different verticals, ranging from connected car to smart transport, smart agriculture, smart cities, etc. We've had a phenomenal traffic, and as I said, it's very specialized, so you get people that are really interested in understanding more about what those new applications are for leveraging IoT technology.
Because you can't just be connected to a thing, you got to be connected to people, and never forget that.